Now let's learn the magic ring. First, make a slip knot with your yarn and place it on your crochet hook. Tighten the slip knot slightly but keep it loose enough to adjust later. Then, using your non-dominant hand, the hand not holding the hook, wrap the working yarn around your index and middle fingers twice, creating an X shape on the front of your fingers. Hold the intersection of the wrapped yarn against your palm with your thumb and ring fingers to keep it in place. With your hook, reach under the first loop and into the center of the ring formed by the wrapped yarn. Insert your hook into the center of the ring and work the required number of stitches, for example, 6 single crochets for a basic start. After completing the first round, gently pull the yarn tail, the short end, from the slip knot to tighten the ring. This closes the center gap completely. Insert your hook into the top of the starting chain stitch, yarn over, and pull through both loops on your hook to create a slip stitch. This connects the first and last stitches of the round.